Apple cider vinegar has many health benefits, ranging from improving your digestion to managing blood pressure. Today's video is all about the numerous health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Let's start with why one should include it in their diet. It has antimicrobial properties which fight bad breath. Its antimicrobial properties are due to its primary ingredient, acetic acid. According to research, acetic acid was found to be effective against Candida albicans fungus, as well as E. coli. These microbes are responsible for severe intestinal infections. It is also effective against a microbe that is harmful to your skin called Staphylococcus aureus. Another bacteria called Helicobacter pylori is responsible for bad morning breath. The acetic acid kills this bacteria as well. Just make sure you gargle with apple cider vinegar and warm water every day. It manages blood pressure. High blood pressure increases the risk of stroke, and you can develop cardiovascular problems. This is another issue that apple cider vinegar could help with. To get a better perspective on its effects, let's consider a study that was done on hypertensive rats. At the end of the research, it was concluded that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps to reduce blood pressure. It lowers blood sugar. Some studies have shown that consuming ACV before a meal or at bedtime can lead to a small reduction in blood sugar levels. If your sugar levels have spiked, ACV could help. Have about 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar twice a day. This is because apple cider vinegar slows down the emptying of the stomach. It increases the insulin sensitivity of your body. A study found that people who had apple cider vinegar 2 hours before going to bed reported a 6% reduction in sugar levels. More studies are needed, and ACV should not be relied on as the sole solution for blood sugar control. It helps you lose weight. Acetic acid is the active ingredient that could help weight loss with ACV. Research is limited on this method, although there is evidence to support that acetic acid can suppress appetite, increase fat burning, delay when the body releases hormones that induce feelings of hunger, and reduce fat storage in the body. Apple cider vinegar slows down the release of hunger hormones, ensuring that the food you ate is getting digested properly. In one particular study, adults who had obesity were given 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar every day. In a matter of 12 weeks, it was found that their weight had significantly reduced. This should always be paired with proper diet and exercise to see the best results when it comes to weight loss. When to have apple cider vinegar. Number 4. For blood pressure management. Blood pressure can be controlled with the help of apple cider vinegar. With a pH level of 4.2, make sure not to drink more than 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar after a meal. More than 30 milliliters could cause heartburn. Make sure you do not ingest it on an empty stomach, as it can cause digestion problems. Number 3. For blood sugar management. Because apple cider vinegar is usually recommended to patients who are insulin resistant, it is best to have this before a meal. Just make sure that you don't have too much of it. As we mentioned earlier, limit it to 30 milliliters. This amount can vary depending on your tolerance level and other lifestyle factors. You don't want to risk indigestion or heartburn. Apple cider vinegar is on the higher end of the acidity scale. Usually foods with higher pH levels cause indigestion and heartburn if consumed in excess. Number 2. For weight loss. Apple cider vinegar could have a small positive effect on weight loss in some individuals. As for when to consume it, there is no specific time to have apple cider vinegar. All you need to do is maintain it for 3 months. As far as quantity, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar each day should suffice. Just make sure that you don't compromise your daily intake of proteins and nutrients while on your weight loss journey. Number 1. Bad breath. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties due to its acetic acid content, which has been shown to kill the bacteria responsible for bad morning breath. If you are having apple cider vinegar for this reason, try it after brushing your teeth. Just add about 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar and dilute with lukewarm water and gargle every morning. You must mix it with water as the acidity of undiluted ACV can erode tooth enamel over time. Rinse your mouth thoroughly afterwards to make sure there is no residual ACV that could cause tooth damage. This might not work up to everyone's standards, so use your own discretion. Now, let's discuss the side effects. Throat burn. Apple cider vinegar can cause some discomfort or pain in the throat area due to its acidic nature. When consumed without diluting or in excessive amounts, it can cause irritation or burning in the throat or esophagus. According to some researchers, apple cider vinegar is one of the most common causes of throat burn. Damages your teeth. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic and can be harmful when overconsumed. Because it can erode your teeth, we would suggest you drink it through a straw. In one study, it was found that apple cider vinegar can erode about 20% of a tooth's minerals in 4 hours, so it would be better if you rinse your mouth properly after consuming it. Stomach problems. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to have an effect on hunger hormones. However, consuming too much apple cider vinegar can lead to digestive problems like acid reflux, nausea, and an upset stomach. This is why we suggest you never ingest more than 30 milliliters at one time. There's one important thing you should know about ACV. Research is limited on the absolute effectiveness of ACV, and it should never be used as the sole solution for your medical issues, managing body weight, or as diabetic medication. It should always be combined with other measures such as a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and, if prescribed, medications. Additionally, it's always advisable to consult a healthcare professional before using ACV for any medical condition. What you put into your body is extremely important and can have positive or negative effects depending on what it is. Have you tried using apple cider vinegar? Let us know in the comments below.